Hi everyone. Those of you who are working at home, once you're finished with answering the questions on the Discovering Drawing video worksheet, numbers 1 through 16, you're going to do the activity for number 17. Go ahead and use a soft drawing pencil, a 5B or a 6B. The directions tell you that you can use charcoal, which is what we're going to be using in class, a piece of charcoal to do this. I'm going to show you how to use your soft pencil to do it. It also mentions that you can use Conte crayon, and graphite is your drawing pencil, but there are different kinds of graphite that you can use. So use your soft pencil, and it says here, using these, you're going to do the following next to its label. So line is going to be here, stroke is going to be here, tone is going to be here. Then you're going to combine all three of them into this space. And we're going to do it similarly to what the artist did in the video. So for the first one, you're going to use your pencil on its side, and you're going to draw a line with it on its tip. I'm sorry. You want to use just its tip on its side, okay? Just draw 3 different lines going from one side to the other side with mostly the tip of your pencil. I did have my pencil on its edge, but I pulled it in a line. For the next one, you're going to use your pencil completely on its side. Remember, these are some of the techniques we've already learned in class. You're going to do a stroke of the pencil. A stroke is the motion, the direction that it goes. So just using the whole side edge, you're going to do several strokes of your pencil. And remember, you can change the rhythm and the speed, right, to make them more visually interesting. The last one is tone. Tone is a darkness. It's the same as value. It's the same meaning as value is. It's the tonality of something is its darkness. So by pressing hard, we can get a dark tone. By pressing light, we can get a lighter tone. And we can vary the rhythm and the speed with it. So press harder, press lighter. Make one continuous mark with tone going all the way across. Something similar to what he did in the video. So you can change the rhythm and speed with the line too. I didn't really show you that, but you can do it as he showed you, or just do it as I showed you. Now in the bottom one here, you're going to combine all 3 of them. This is where it gets tricky. So using your pencil on its side edge, but holding it like this in your hand, so you can rotate it. This is called rounding. So you can go from line to stroke to tone, and then back up. So pulling it across on its side to tone to stroke. All right, so that combines all 3 in the same mark. Let's try it again. Let's start with it on its edge, and then round it to its point, and then round it back to its edge. So you've combined all 3 of them in there. This is a tone, but it's also a stroke. This is a line that is also a tone. Okay? One more time. Let's change it up a little bit with rhythm and speed. So now you've got 3 different applications of pencil. It's very similar to what we've learned in the previous semester with using your pencil to create lines and variations of lines. So it's on its tip for a line, on its edge for a stroke, and on its edge for a tone. It's how stroke is the motion, the movement that you make, and tone is an area of darkness, okay? And then you're combining them all together in this one. When you're all done with this, like the video or the directions that the assignments say, take a photograph of both sides of this. It can be side by side, or you can do 2 different separate photographs, quality photographs, so I can read your writing, and then put it in an email as an attachment. Take a JPEG attachment, and send it to me in email at dleclaire@seq.org. And if you have questions, call me, or email me would be preferable.